Hello, savvy shoppers. Welcome to Reviews by Creativity, your go-to channel for authentic and engaging shoppable content. I'm thrilled to welcome you to a space where I explore the vast world of consumer products, bringing you a unique blend of unboxings, detailed product demos, and genuine reviews. At Reviews by Creativity, I'm all about building anticipation and excitement, starting from the moment you receive that eagerly awaited package. Unboxings are more than just opening a box. They're about unveiling possibilities, and I capture every moment of that thrill to share with you. But I don't stop there. My channel dives deep into the heart of each product, offering comprehensive demos that highlight every key feature. From unboxings that build anticipation to detailed product demos showcasing all the key features, I offer genuine reviews and testimonials. Whether it's fun technology tools to make your everyday life easier, stylish footwear strutting its style for adults and kids alike, cutting edge electronics and tech, to kitchen appliances that help you cook for one person or for the whole family. Power tools for DIYers and beauty, fashion, and self care products. My channel has got you covered. So join my community of smart shoppers today and let's embark on a journey of discovering, exploring, and experiencing the best in consumer products together. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for exciting content. I also offer regular community posts on this channel so you can be the first to hear of any special discounts, coupons, and promos. Happy shopping, everyone!